always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow till I find.
Hello guys, this week has taken me through a roller coaster, guys. It's not easy the way it seems on this video. It has been hard but we are taking a day at a time. So I want to prepare dinner. I want to make chicken. It's been a while since I made chicken in this house, and I've really missed treating myself and making some good food in this house. So I want to make broiler chicken, and I want to make it with you, so at least we have something nice to end this vlog. So guys, it's raining. It's been raining. We thank God for the rains. At least hatukudanganywa, but hatuombei El Nino, hatutaki El Nino. So it's raining right now. It's on Friday. Already people have started to call me uko wapi, and I don't want those calls. You remember? I don't want those calls today. Today I don't want those calls. So I want to marinate my chicken. I have bought half a chicken because I'm the only one who eats meat in this house. So I've bought half, and at least I'll eat today and tomorrow. I didn't eat osheke. So I want to marinate this chicken, and then yeah, we can start cooking. So I'm not going to marinate it with a lot of things. Me, I love to feel the taste of chicken itself. Sikusikia sijui nini. I don't marinate with it. It's just ginger and garlic and mixed spices. So let's begin. And I use the Royco ile chicken. Let me show you the chicken ile yellow. This one, and I use this one. Mnaona ikiwa upside down because I'm using my front camera to vlog. So let's start making our delicious meal. So I hope it turns out amazing. So I want to make that, and then I relax and chill. I watch a movie as the rain drops. You know, I just chill. So let's begin.